strange traditions around the world. Around the world, people celebrate traditions that may seem strange or unusual to others. These traditions often come from history, religion, or culture, and they are very important for local communities. In Spain, people celebrate La Tomatina, where thousands of people throw tomatoes at each other in the streets. This festival is colorful, fun, and very messy, but it is loved by many tourists. In Thailand, people celebrate the Monkey Buffet Festival, where monkeys are given fruits and vegetables to eat in the town. These unusual traditions bring happiness and make each culture unique. In Japan, there is a tradition called Setsuban, which takes place at the beginning of spring. People throw roasted soybeans outside their houses while shouting words to drive away bad luck. This tradition is believed to protect families and bring good fortune for the new season. Another Japanese custom is the Hidaka Matsuri, or Naked Festival, where men wear only a small cloth and compete to catch sacred sticks. This may look strange, but it is a tradition that has continued for centuries. Such traditions show the mix of fun, belief, and history in Japanese culture. In Mexico, the Day of the Dead is a tradition that honors family members who have passed away. People create colorful altars with flowers, food, and photos of their loved ones. Families go to cemeteries to clean graves and celebrate with music and food. It may look unusual to celebrate death, but in Mexico, it is a way to show love and respect. Skeleton figures and sugar skulls are popular symbols of this tradition. The Day of the Dead is now famous around the world and has become a symbol of Mexican culture. It is a tradition that mixes sadness and joy in a unique way. In India, one of the most famous traditions is Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors. People throw colored powders and water at each other in the streets to celebrate the arrival of spring. Music, dancing, and laughter fill the air during this festival. It is also a time to forgive and strengthen relationships between families and friends. Tourists from all over the world travel to India to take part in Holi. Even though it may seem strange to cover everyone in colors, it is a tradition full of life and happiness. Strange traditions like Holi show the beauty of cultural diversity. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.